Hello, I'm Kelly Brown, Chief of Police for the City of El Centro. You are about to view a critical incident community briefing designed to provide information about an officer-involved shooting that occurred on October 5th in the City of El Centro when the fleeing driver of a stolen vehicle drove at officers. The police department's highest priority is the preservation of life and public safety. We recognize these are serious events that impact all involved, their families, the officers, our police department, and the community. This tragic incident is currently the subject of 3 investigations. No conclusions will be made until all facts are known and the investigations are complete. All available body-worn camera and in-car camera footage that captured this event as it unfolded was used in the production of this briefing. Faces have been redacted for privacy. A warning: the video may be disturbing for some viewers. Viewer discretion is encouraged.
Hello, I'm Acting El Centro Deputy Chief of Police Renee McNish. At approximately 6:30 p.m. on October 5th, officers from the El Centro Police Department responded after an automated license plate reader identified a stolen Hyundai Elantra traveling through the city. Patrol officers coordinated a search and located the vehicle in the rear parking lot of a restaurant in the 400 block of East Main Street. As you can see from the patrol unit's in-car camera, officers set up a perimeter around the parking lot and then moved to engage the vehicle. As the units moved towards the front of the restaurant, 2 subjects fled the area on foot. Marked police units moved and positioned themselves in the driveway with their red and blue light bar illuminated. At this point, the suspect accelerated the stolen vehicle and drove it towards officers. 2 of the officers were in direct path of the fleeing vehicle. That is when the officer-involved shooting occurred. Here's the video from one of the body-worn cameras showing the encounter.
Back up, go the other way. No, just leave the car here, leave the car here. Get out, bro! Watch out, watch out! Back up, go the other way. No, just leave the car here, leave the car here. Get out of the fucking car! Yeah! Watch out, watch out!
In this still frame image from one of the body-worn camera of the officers, you can see that an El Centro Police Department officer is directly in the path of the vehicle. The second image shows 2 patrol units positioned to block the driveway entrance and exit, preventing the suspect from leaving. This animated sequence of the events shows where the car driven by the suspect was parked behind the restaurant. As officers in the patrol units approached and blocked the entire width of the driveway, the stolen car came around the corner of the building and began accelerating towards the officers. Officers and El Centro fire paramedics rendered aid, but the driver was declared deceased at the scene. The driver was identified as a juvenile from the city of Brawley. 2 juvenile passengers in the vehicle were detained, but were not charged with the crime. 2 other juvenile subjects were later located and interviewed. They also were not charged.
The incident is the subject of 3 separate but independent investigations. The El Centro Police Department is conducting an investigation to determine if any crimes were committed. The Imperial County District Attorney's Office is conducting a criminal investigation to determine if the officer's actions violated the law. Once the District Attorney's investigation is complete, the El Centro Police Department will conduct an internal investigation to determine if our officers acted according to Police Department policy and procedures. We ask for patience as the investigations proceed and for our community to come together during this time. For more information about our policy and procedures, please visit our website. Thank you for watching this critical incident community briefing.